Sup, back in the V, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here is G757 loaded grain train going absolutely slow. Here we go. Really slow. There it is. G757. Here we go. Really slow for some reason, these trains today. Anywho, here we go. There he is. Down there, guys. There he is. All loaded grain cars, and who knows where? Somewhere in Illinois, but I kind of forgot. Cicero, Illinois, where they tie down for the night. That's a long trip yet. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Really cool, guys. I'll be flying till they get here, starting now. Loaded grain cars. I forgot to mention 90 loaded grain cars. G757. $40 load. It'll be here any second. There's Landon, there it goes. There it goes right there, guys. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph and Landon out.